Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host.
Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna, and this morning we're visiting with Dr. Jeff Lehmkuhler. He's with the University of Kentucky. He's a beef extension specialist there. Good morning, Jeff.
Good morning, Joanna.
Well, I'm glad that in Bowling Green we are getting the opportunity to host the Mid-South Stocker Conference.
Yes, this is the 12th one and the second time it's been here in Bowling Green.
And so for people at home, because I get this question a lot, what is a stocker conference?
That's a great question. So in the beef industry, we have a segment of that industry that takes lightweight feeder calves that maybe weigh 400 up to 600 pounds, and they will take them and congregate them into bigger groups to market, and then also help manage them post-weaning, get vaccinations in them. If they're bull calves, maybe castrate them. Also kind of group them by color and type so that when they get ready to go to the feed yard, they're in a more uniform package. And so in this area of the United States, we have quite a few stocker and backgrounding operations in this kind of I-65 corridor through Kentucky and down into Tennessee.
So even for some of our cow-calf producers who maybe just separate them after weaning and feed them for a while, this conference would be something for them.
Absolutely. For those that are thinking about preconditioning these calves before they market them, we always try to take an approach of providing a little bit of information from all the management sectors. So we have a lot on health. We talk a little bit about risk management from a financial standpoint, and we also talk a little bit about, in some years, the nutritional impacts, or what kind of feedstuffs might they think about, or what kind of forages might be an alternative to what they've done in the past.
So when is the conference this year?
This year the conference is going to be February the 26th. That's a Wednesday, and we're going to have it here in Bowling Green at the new extension office, which we're looking forward to having the program there. I think this year's conference is a bit unique in that we're bringing some out-of-state expertise in as well. We've got speakers from University of Kentucky and University of Tennessee, but we have also got Dr. Tom Yazwinski from the University of Arkansas, who is a well-known parasitologist, and he's going to be visiting with producers about internal parasite control. And then we've also have a speaker coming in from Gregory Feedlots. Mr. David Trowbridge is the manager there and has been well recognized through the nation as one of the leading managers for the Certified Angus Beef program.
All right, so a lot of expertise here at this conference. It's a one-day conference. If people are watching today and they say, I want to come, how do they sign up?
That's a great question. One of the easiest things to do, obviously, is to call the extension office and visit with the extension personnel there. But if they are interested, what we've done is we've put this on Eventbrite. It seems to be a new way that folks are looking to find registration information. And so if they were to search Bowling Green, Kentucky Mid-South Stocker Conference, it will pop up and they can register online for the conference that way.
Okay, because this is a joint effort between the University of Kentucky and University of Tennessee, and so we have producers coming from all of this area.
Absolutely. We have producers in the past. We've had them come in from Mississippi, Indiana, Ohio. But we also have our trade show, which is another great opportunity. We've got our industry partners that will be there to visit with producers about maybe new products that they have or existing products and how maybe to better utilize those, as well as any services that they may have. For example, there has traditionally been some brokers there to help on the financial risk management side.
All right, and so that's also a definite added value to come into the conference. Is there a cost to attend?
There is a cost to attend. The early cost is around $50 per person, and then if there's a family, a husband and wife, we give a discount for that. You know, they can do online registration, but we also will take walk-ins, and they can pay at the door if they maybe aren't sure what the weather's going to be like and they think they may have to work, and then looks like on Tuesday they're going to be able to get away. They can come in and do a walk-in on Wednesday.
All right, perfect. Because there are a lot of things. One of the things that I'm very excited about are the virtual farm tours, and we're highlighting 2 Warren County farms, and I think producers always like to hear what their neighbors are doing and maybe how they manage their operation.
Absolutely, and so I think that's one of the most valuable ways to learn is what worked for some and what didn't work for others. And so that's a great chance for producers to come in and hear from some of their peers.
While we're sitting in a heated building, not on a farm with unpredictable Kentucky weather
exactly
in February.
Right.
Well, Jeff, I appreciate you with helping plan that and get that back in Bowling Green. And if you're interested in attending, make sure to mark February the 26th on your calendar. It's going to be at the Warren County Extension Office out on Russellville Road. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.